Do you have old ticketing data stuck inside a Ticketfly or in some spreadsheet that is hard to reference? We are so excited to announce the launch of our new ticket sales importer. How it works is simple. You import a spreadsheet of all your past ticket sales. Prism turns those ticket sales into events that you can reference and analyze through our new analytics chart that lets you see ticket sales trends over time and compare momentum from multiple shows in one view. Now, let me walk you through how it works. We'll start by navigating over to the reporting module. So when I click on the reporting module, you'll see that I now have two options, P&L and my ticket sales chart. So we'll click on my ticket sales chart. As you can see, I have no data. So what I do is click on the sales importer link, click choose file, select the data that I want to import, and then click upload. In this screen, what I'll need to do is map the venues from my Excel spreadsheet with my venues inside of Prism. So I'll map the Death Star from my Excel spreadsheet to the Death Star inside of Prism, map the stage as well, and then I'll map the Star Fox as well, and the stage. Then I click Preview Import. It shows me all of the shows that I'm uploading, the venues and the stage that this will then populate. I click Import. Now, all of these 39 events are imported into Prism, and I can click into any of these individual events and add more ticket revenue or additional revenue or costs, and I can also view the sales chart as well, which is a great new feature that we launched. So let's look at that. This is the sales chart from my September 20 event with the Grateful Dead. So you can look at how the gross ticket sales are selling, the adjusted gross ticket sales, and you can also see just the quantity sold. And you can see the daily updates. So this is how many tickets I sold on this day, how many tickets I sold on this day, or you could see it from a cumulative view. So this is how my total ticket sales are progressing over time. One great feature that we have is you can map shows next to each other. So this is comparing my September 13th show with the Grateful Dead to my September 20th show with the Grateful Dead. And as you see, when I hover over it, it shows which show I'm looking at. And you can use this cool little chart down here to zoom in on specific time zones. So I'm looking at specifically when these shows were on sale. Just as an FYI, it works with more than two shows as well. So I can put my Angel Olsen show on there and also my 13th floor elevator show as well and compare them all at the same time. As I mentioned before, the importer will also turn all these events into events inside of Prism. So if I search for Grateful Dead, as you can see, I have the two events that I imported, and I can click into it and once again update the revenue, costs, contacts, and the talent deals as well. If I want to jump back to the sales analytics chart, I simply click on this button here. After you have done one upload, Prism remembers your venue mapping so that when you do another upload, you don't have to repeat the process. Also, if you updated ticket sales from one show and then do another import, that show will not get overwritten. Prism will simply update the ticket sales. This is the continuation of a more cohesive relationship with your data from whatever ticketing platform you are using. As always, if you have feedback, we would love to hear it. Thank you so much for your time.